Do you often get caught in false breakouts while scalping? Perhaps the scalping strategy discussed in this video could be the solution for you. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. In this video, we will discuss an effective scalping method using the pullback trading strategy. The pullback trading strategy we will cover this time is very easy to use and can help you avoid the false trend traps that occur in the market. This scalping strategy works well on almost any time frame, which means you can use this strategy on 1 minute, 5 minute, or 15-minute time frames. Additionally, this scalping strategy is also very effective when used on all assets such as forex, gold or xauusd, crypto, stocks, and others. So make sure you stay with us until the end of this video. And don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing. Let's get started. If you want to use this scalping strategy, you can go to TradingView. In this example, we will use this scalping strategy for forex trading. First, set the pair to Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Then, set the time frame to 15 minutes. After that, go to the Search Indicator tab. In the Search Indicator tab, type Ripster EMA Clouds. Then, select Ripster EMA Clouds by Ripster 47. Now, adjust the settings for the Ripster EMA Clouds indicator. In the Input tab, change the first short EMA value to 150. Then, change the first long EMA value to 200. Next, uncheck the boxes for Show EMA Cloud 2 and Show EMA Cloud 3. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. This Ripster EMA Cloud indicator will be used as a trend guide in the market. If the Ripster EMA clouds are green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this case, we will wait for a pullback from the bullish trend before placing an order in the market. If the Ripster EMA clouds are red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this case, we will wait for a pullback from the bearish trend before placing an order in the market. Now, let's add the second indicator that will be used as a guide for placing orders in the market. Go to the Search Indicator tab and type Quantitative Qualitative Estimation or QQE. Then, select the Quantitative Qualitative Estimation Indicator by Kavanas Bilgic. For the Quantitative Qualitative Estimation or QQE indicator, leave it at the default settings. We will use this Quantitative Qualitative Estimation indicator as a guide for placing orders in the market. If the main trend correction has occurred, you just need to follow the signals that appear from the indicator. To make it clearer, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this scalping strategy. How to place a buy order. If the Ripster EMA Clouds indicator is green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this situation, your main focus is to find the best point to place a buy order. Wait until the price candlestick retests the area of the Ripster EMA Clouds indicator. After that, wait for a buy signal from the QQE indicator. As a confirmation, ensure the trend is still bullish and the formed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Place the stop loss slightly below the latest swing low. Use a take profit target with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. If the Ripster EMA Clouds indicator is red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this situation, your main focus is to find the best point to place a sell order. Wait until the price candlestick retests the area of the Ripster EMA Clouds indicator. After that, wait for a sell signal from the QQE indicator. As a confirmation, ensure the trend is still bearish and the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Place the stop loss slightly above the latest swing high. Use a take profit target with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always make sure to maintain your money management and trading psychology, as no strategy guarantees a 100% win rate. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you gained new knowledge today. That's it for this discussion, and see you in the next video.